Do you know the output of this Python code? Let me explain, but first, leave your answer in the comments. This code snippet creates a dictionary from two lists, num_list and str_list, where each element of the str_list becomes a key in the dictionary and the corresponding element in num_list becomes the value. The code does this by using a dictionary comprehension, where I iterates over each index of the lists. Range, len, num_list, creates a range of numbers based on the length of the num_list, which allows the iteration to go through each element in both lists. The correct answer is option C. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Because the code uses dictionary comprehension to create a dictionary with the elements of str_list as keys and the corresponding elements of num_list as values. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.